Unong 18 ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA2 uba pol lengdo babatru ikakam kum menteri badi kmi ikatrat social welfare Sorkar jala hakan no pai sngi pratrik naila raja apsau haba kantho alor jinglik tur khasi students union KSU ban persya ik Jingkynnoh Thung kam bom Khuid daga Meghalaya Public Service Commission MPSC ulong bak Sorkar ka donik bantaban Bishar hok bat kanwat Kaiphod Halor gani daga bapen pau commission ka deg blai luoj ulong bak union ka rai ka mat ban persya ik jingle Shillong Mail hak Thung kam Thung jam ulong bak Sorkar ka buat Kaiphod bobnya asoban ya kran bo menteri rang ba ka jala korat ke sangma ban pentikna bak Thung kam Thung jam kanlong ka Khuid bat ka Bishar.
Well, without any shade of doubt, we should not encourage nepotism at any level. And I understand that the KSU has raised certain objections, certain queries about the alleged instances of nepotism. Government will certainly be on the side of justice and fair play, and we will take that to its logical end. We will first seek a report, since it is an autonomous body. We will first seek a report from the department concerned, and this report will then come handy before the Chief Minister, who will then decide whether it will be placed before the cabinet. And I'm sure that we will have very fruitful and productive discussion and arrive at a decision that will ensure that there is no iota of doubt left on the minds of people where fair play and transparency is concerned.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.